My wife watching somebody.
I'm watching this guy make a veggie burrito.
I'm here.
I'm gonna take it out. I'm
Right
gonna
here.
take it out. Our pizza. Pizza.
I wouldn't even turn it off. That stuff gets cold so fast.
And I got some basil to put on top. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And we have an extra one over here to make for wraps or something for tomorrow. See how nice and pliable it is? Love it. Okay. I'm just cutting this piece first to try it.
I don't know why she playing games. She just cut 4 pieces. She playing too many games for me. Just cut 4.
Look how pretty it is, you guys. So pretty. So it's onion bread as the crust, and the where I got the recipe inspiration is down in the description. And then I made my own sauce that I just came up with myself based on making the cauliflower rings the other day. It was just tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, onion, capers, salt and pepper, and then I put, tomatoes are so wet, and I didn't want a wet sauce, so then I kept adding mushrooms and blitzing it until I got the consistency of a thicker sauce. It tastes amazing. And then on top, I did red onion, black olives, banana peppers, sun-dried tomatoes, yellow bell pepper, and now the basil. I'm gonna try it. Mm-hmm.
You happy?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Because you were honestly just so worried about this stuff.
I was so worried about this. You have to taste it.
You keep trying your piece first.
Oh, I'm trying it. This is delicious.
So eat that part and cut me a piece, and you know how it goes for me. Why do we have to fold? Why do we have to fold it?
Just so you don't lose the stuff. So you can just fold it up. I'll hold the camera so you can taste it.
Well, obviously you want to keep eating, so go ahead with that.
That onion bread, I'm so happy with it. All it was 3 large onions, a cup of flaxseed meal, a cup of ground sunflower seeds, a 1/3 cup of tamari, a 1/3 cup of olive oil. Stir it all together, spread it really thin on the dehydrator pan. We did 115 degrees for 12 hours. Then we carefully flipped it over and did another 6 hours on the other side. It's perfect. The moment of truth from Mr. Grayson.
Not bad at all. But y'all all know I have a problem with cold food. So it seemed like as soon as we take it out, We can't be messing around. We got, you know, unless you don't mind eating cold food, it's not a big deal. But for me, gotta put it in there, take it out, cut it, and just go right to work with eating. I'm not saying you gotta eat like the Cookie Monster, but it's
How does the Cookie Monster eat?
I like it.
Mm-hmm.
This is something I can constantly eat. First time we actually made something in a dehydrator.
That we're excited about. At least I'm excited about it.
My wife is excited about it. I'm giving her all the credit because she made everything. I just was there giving her a helping hand. The sauce she made when I was at work and the toppings, she cut all that stuff and diced all that stuff while I was at work. So this is all her. Babe, I'm proud of you. I think this is the first thing we've made so far. That should be a regular.
Yes.
A regular thing for us to eat.
And we can go crazy with different toppings too, like different raw toppings. I think it came out really good.
I think that's awesome, and so now I have hopes for the dehydrator because at one time I really just did not believe in a dehydrator. So that tells me it was on us. We don't put it on them. I'm talking. No. No, don't worry about that. So because I was discouraged on the dehydrator, so this tells me that was all us. And now all we have to do is get it right. And once we have it right, I think there should be no more unhappiness unless we just fail on our, ingredients. But that's pretty good.
Plus, we have to look at the fact that we have to go to different outlets for inspiration for our recipes. Because I looked this one up. I just put dehydrated onion bread in. A bunch of different people came up. I found one that was really good. She gets right to the point. She doesn't even do any talking in the video. Like, it's silence. She gives you the information. She gets out. And that's the recipe. That's not the recipe I followed. That's the preparation that I followed.
Oh yeah, I know we don't do that on the channel. I gotta talk.
But this is good. I'm happy with it. All right.
You see, she wanted to put the thing on this while I was talking. Rude.
Yeah, because isn't it pretty?
No, isn't
It's
she
so
rude?
Oh, these are my bagels, you guys.
Those are being thrown out.
I was using it as a cracker, but it's still...
Take it out the bag.
I'm going to throw it out.
Yeah, you're not going to eat that.
And I was putting hummus on it. It smells amazing, but maybe I'll try it again now that I...
Did you put it up to the camera?
Also, I think I wasn't a fan of the zucchini. Like, this wasn't made with any zucchini. Although there were onion bread recipes with zucchini, I'm so glad we went with one without zucchini. This is good. And I think zucchini, other people have said, like, zucchini gives, like, a slimy taste.
And it's hard
I know exactly what they're talking about.
And it's hard for me to like zucchini. I eat it.
So I'm going to just throw this away right now. Chocolate on the floor. I'll get that later.
Sure she will.
I will, as soon as we're done.
It's hard for me to like zucchini. I'm just not a fan of that, and I know you guys want to see me as I talk, but my wife is too busy feeding her face, and I can't turn it around because I don't know if I'm going to be at a right extension for my arm for the camera, and I'm just going to let her eat. So just listen to me talk as the camera's facing her, feeding her chops, because yeah.
You can turn it off now.
Yeah,
you want to eat some dinner.
Because she don't care no more. She just wanted y'all to see it, and now she ready to go.
That's right.
She don't care about y'all.
I love you guys. Thanks for watching.
Peace.
I'm so happy with this. Have a good night.